signal's on. I have my camera.
Baby, my signal's on too. My signal's on too. What is it right?
So we are very much in our ongoing pressure investigation.
So others could have been involved?
Yes, sir.
I asked you this last time you were here.
Imagine if you lose to them after he went 7-0 and he doesn't play with. Whoa.
Yes, totally. Totally. I'm not buying it. Because this is what you do. You bounce back, get home, you do everything right, and then what happens the following week? Yes, come in town.
Well, then you invite the police, because now what you see is the next still from the body cam is that you see him upon realizing that the cops showed up and they said, first of all,
For him in the primaries?
I understand, I obviously understand the question, but listen to the difference I'm putting forward here.
Oh my God!
That much more involved. Primaries also come with having to deal with a number of candidates. I think a lot of Democrats.
You can travel the world.
Oh.
Oh, fuck this. Oh my God! Oh fuck! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Holy crap, that person was so close to getting hit. I was so close to getting hit.
Thì ấy đi, anh đứng anh cô sai cho Tú là em đó. Accident làm sao?
What are you doing? Fuck are you doing?
What are you racing for, bro? What are you doing? My God. What are you speeding for? You gotta slow down. You gotta slow down, man. Just relax. I say you can go in front of me.
Now you could slow down, just like I told you. I slept. Shit out your way.
Who's that? Boss lady?
Let me guess, this is going on the